Deputy Catherine Connolly, sharing with Deputy Collins.
I have 2.5 minutes to scrutinise this motion. 2.5 minutes. The peaceful delivery of words of war are absolutely shocking to me, and that's what's happening here. Minister, you've delivered a speech, big print, with great gusto and confidence, of 10.5 pages, and in that you insult us on page 5, and the House will be aware further the 2009 Act that Dáil approval is required. This statutory requirement ensures complete transparency and proper parliamentary scrutiny and oversight. Do you think we're complete idiots, Minister? 55 minutes, you took 10 of that leaves 45, and I have 2.5 minutes as we sign up for more warmongering. And earlier in your speech, you told us about how the European Defence Agency was formed, and what you neglected to tell us was how the arms industry led the politicians by the nose as they set up that in 2004. The European Aeronautic Defence and Space, now Airbus, along with the French Defence, I can't because I'm going to run out of time, started lobbying, and so on and so on. Ursula von der Leyen tells us that this collaborative procurement will bring us closer to European Defence Union. Mr. Borrell, that man that told us that Europe was a garden and everything outside of it was a jungle, he tells us it sends a clear message. Sorry, it's the website of the EDA tells us this, sends us a clear, but he has endorsed it, a clear message to industry. Clear message to industry, that's what we're doing here, that aggregate orders will be placed together through the EDA. Large orders provide industry with certainty. Can you imagine that? And allowing them to ramp up production and produce faster and faster. More arms, more war, more slaughter. And we stand here and we say we stand in solidarity with Ukraine while we watch Palestinians being slaughtered as we do not use our voices. And you have 10 pages of a speech to connive, to cheat, to hide the purposes of what we're doing, which is to join the warmongers of Europe. We're failing to learn from history. You're failing to listen to us, and I will have absolutely no part of it. As a woman, as a mother, as an independent TD, I will not be part of this horror show.
Thank you.